Now choose the app. I use calendar, it's working. Go to shortcuts, automation, create new automation, create personal automation. App is opened, selected, choose the app. I choose calendar, done. Next, open app, tap on open app, select the app you want to choose. I choose clock. Next, off this, ask before running, don't ask, done. Now test it, calendar, let's go to clock. Now it is off, go to shortcuts, open your create personalization, then tap on enable this automation to disable, done. Now it's off. Now it's working, done. Thanks for watching.